virus is now endemic, not only in China but also confirmed in other countries, namely Australia, Canada, Cambodia, Germany, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. On this occasion, I will discuss about the corona outbreak virus that is rife starting this. A virus taken from China, Wuhan, worrying citizens of the world because the virus is very quickly spread throughout the world. WHO, all countries move quickly thinking of moving to residents in China, but because of the situation in China, they isolate the area of God to avoid the virus from spreading. In Indonesia, we are directed by the government to do all our activities at home, from school to work, all we do from home. This certainly has the intent and purpose of reducing the impact of the spread of the COVID-19 virus that is currently endemic throughout the world. It is not easy for us to starting everything from home, but what's wrong with the following something that result later for our common good? We can also benefit by staying at home, steering from being able to spend more time with family, and then training and maintaining our lifestyle at home to be healthier, and this is very beneficial for all of us. In Indonesia, we are directed by the government to do all our activities at home, from school to work, all we do from home. This certainly has the intent and purpose of reducing the impact of the spread of the COVID-19 virus that is currently endemic throughout the world. Is it not easy for us to start everything from home, but what's wrong with following something that results later for our common good? We can also benefit by staying at home, starting from being able to spend more time with family, and then training and maintaining our lifestyle at home to be healthier, and this is very beneficial for all of us. So let us take care of each other's health, because we don't know the virus more clearly how. There are still many issues and news that are uncertain. From that, we can only maintain health, healthy exercise, basically all the things that avoid dangerous disease. And then we can develop our healthy lifestyle during stay at home by diligently washing hands with soap or antiseptic, and then drinking lots of water and vitamins to maintain our immune system. We can also pay attention to the food we will eat and much more. All that we can do in order to maintain our health to fight the coronavirus. Then, don't let us to leave the house or do outside activities. We better be aware of ourselves to help the government in preventing in this epidemic COVID-19. I hope we are all given health and abundant grace from the Almighty so that we can all fight this epidemic virus. My establishment here is not out of the problems we face today, as we have all witnessed on the television and mass media that the coronavirus is running rampant on our motherland. Alright, now we react wisely about this coronavirus, where this virus is a new virus that has not been found yet, so we have to prevent the prevention now. Prevention can be done by washing hands both before and after doing any activities, and then we must also maintain our body's immunity, because this virus can die alone by our body's immune. Judging from the beginning of this virus, it will clearly have a profound impact on the world economic sector. China is the center of world trade. Since this virus China has frozen all activities in the country. Of course, this will greatly affect the world economy. The real impact is clear from the decline in world oil price. Indeed, this is an advantage for Indonesia, which is an importer of oil. However, this will destabilize the world economy. Not only that, in Indonesia, there are currently many cities that have locked down to avoid the spread of the coronavirus. The way the activities of the citizens will freeze and will hamper the economy of the Indonesian people. Just imagine the many office centers that have to pay attention to their service. Then, how we are going to continue their economy? Fortunately, President Jokowi has provided a work-from-home solution. This means that all economic activities this time must be done at home and only rely on the online world. We see some countries that experience the spread earlier than us. There are those who do lockdown with all the consequences that accompany it. But there are also countries that don't carry out lockdowns, but instead take strict measures and policies to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The government continues to communicate with WHO and use the WHO health protocol and consult with public health experts in dealing with the spread of COVID-19. With the work-from-home appeal, the digital world has experienced a very significant increase. How can not all communities have activities currently be done online? All businesses that are usually carried out in office or in shopping center have now shifted to the online world. The use of the internet in the world and in Indonesia has increased very significantly with this coronavirus. However, the problem is that the service of each telecommunication company has decreased in performance because there are many telecommunication companies that all of technical field works there. So that if there is a network problem in an area, the field technical workers from the related communication company cannot solve it quickly. The lesson is that with the existence work from home, many people have finally become aware of technology and they want to learn about the importance of the digital world business development. Many people realize that currently the creative industry 4.0 has become a trend. And as the government is saying that we can prevent it by keeping a distance and then wearing a mask, but the longer the virus is said to have evolved because it is now held by stay at home, so that we don't become spreaders or victims of this virus. Where now people who are infected with this virus don't have to cause symptoms, so we must be more careful. Maybe just my speech today about the appeal of COVID-19. I hope we are all able to follow the government's recommendation and together conquer this COVID-19. I think that's all I can say. I say many thanks for all the attention. If there are many words that are less pleasing to the heart, then I also apologize profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.